here we are. We're just gonna start this horse. I just want to kind of walk around him a little bit and talk about him, pick his feet up. 4 years old. 4 years old. This horse is probably 14.3 and really like what I think is a really heavy made horse, really thick. He's super gentle. If I had to mark this horse with a blemish, his tail's kind of bobbed off, but it's really thick. He's going to grow out and be a really nice, pretty, thick mane and tail. Just walk him off. You can watch him travel a little bit. The very first couple I heeled on this horse, he kind of wanted to get a little tiny bit nervous in the box and spin around a little bit. Not anything bad, just kind of spin his butt around. But other than that, easy down the arena, easy to get in position. I got a little tiny bit too close to that one. Has a really good stop. Likes to pop his head whenever we're talking to the camera. I don't know why that makes him do it. That's the only time he's done it, so he likes the camera, yeah. Horse is 4 years old. I think he has plenty of run, and I think he's still learning how to run, and will get where he runs better. Runs to a great spot. Easy to like rope, pick him up. He never tried to duck or get ahead of me. Pulls these steers at a great angle where there should be easy to read the corner and easy to heel. I wish this horse was a little bit snappier finishing. I think he'll get, the more you work with him, I think he'll get, like, he's plenty athletic. This horse will get where he finishes and jumps around. So if I could fault him, that's where it would be. Is I thought he was a little bit dead on his face, but other than that, man, this horse felt horse. You definitely need someone that can help finish him. But this horse is so willing to do what you want. I don't know what that is about. He's really easy to, like, it's so easy to be around in the header's box, heeler's box. So calm in the arena, just walk, put his head down and walk, super gentle. No, nothing prancy, nothing. They never scare from anything or do anything that I felt like was wrong. he wasn't phenomenal for me to heel on. He needs some work, but other than that, this horse was really, really good.